More than 1,200 new coronavirus cases in Maryland, bringing the total to nearly 85,000. The positivity rate has also increased. Hello, everybody. I'm Denise Koch.
And I'm Rick Ritter. Concern growing in Maryland now as numbers are surging and a local doctor has now died from the virus.
Tonight, some people waiting more than a week to learn if they are positive. We have team coverage tonight on the abrupt cancellation of tonight's Orioles game and the economic strain here in Maryland. But we start with investigator Mike Helgren live at the Convention Center with new comments from Governor Hogan. Mike?
Denise and Rick, Governor Hogan spoke to CNN just a few minutes ago. He says the rising number of cases here in Baltimore City is due to increased testing. Right now, loved ones of Dr. Joseph Costa are planning a memorial for the 56-year-old who was on the front lines of this pandemic when he died. Heartbreak in Maryland's medical community. Dr. Joseph Costa, the chief of critical care at Mercy Medical Center, is among the more than 3,300 Marylanders to die from COVID-19. Hospital officials wrote, he dedicated his life and career to caring for the sickest patients. And when the global pandemic came down upon us, Joe selflessly continued his work on the front lines, deeply committed to serving our patients and our city during this time of great need.
Dr. Costa is a hero. He was doing incredible work, saving lives for many years, including from the coronavirus. It's a terrible tragedy that he died.
Dr. Joshua Sharfstein with Johns Hopkins, who once headed the city and state health departments, is concerned about the surging number of cases in Maryland.
I'm sure I'm not the only one nervous looking at pictures of crowded restaurants in Ocean City, because you know that those people don't live in Worcester County all year. They are coming back, and they may well be coming back to Baltimore, Baltimore County, and other places.
Governor Hogan spoke about where we stand.
And we're starting to see a slight increase in our hospitalizations and among younger people. So those are things that we're keeping an eye on. But the increased cases, it's not nearly, we're down 90% from our peak back in April.
The Maryland Public Interest Research Group wrote this letter to Hogan, signed by hundreds in the healthcare community, asking him to shut down and start over. Hogan has resisted a mandate to shut down bars and indoor dining statewide.
We're in a holding pattern. We have been for the past 30 days. We're continuing to pause. We're not ready to reopen anything, open anything further. And 22 states are now rolling things back that they had already reopened. We're not in that position either.
And today, Maryland's Department of Health reported 4 fewer hospitalizations and 6 more deaths. Reporting live at the Convention Center, Mike Helgren, WJZ.
Mike, thank you. The other big story we're following tonight, a COVID outbreak in Major League Baseball has now led to the postponement of 2 games tonight. That includes the Orioles scheduled game in Miami. And sports director Mark Viviano joins us now with the details and reaction to this breaking development that everyone is talking about tonight, Mark.
That's right, Rick. We're just 3 games into a season already delayed by the pandemic, and COVID-19 causes another detour. The Orioles are headed home to Baltimore tonight instead of playing in Miami, and the team that they were supposed to play, the Marlins, remain quarantined in Philadelphia, where they played this weekend.